Right, so this morning I've received this parcel that I'll open now. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, and hopefully it is what it is. So just give me a second and I'll start to open it. Alright, so I've got the end open, and I'll now start to try and with one hand pull out. So it is one of these Kit Cat Klocks from America. Iconic because you see them on movies like the start of Back to the Future and TV shows and that. And I've got the exotic one as well with the pattern on it. So I'll just try and... Yeah, it's quite a nice box. Definitely made in the USA. So yeah, so I've got the special exotic pet collection one. I was toying with getting the normal black one that you normally see on TV and that, but I thought no, I might just get this one. You never know, I might order a second one for somewhere else in the house. But I just wanted a clock for my kitchen that wouldn't crap out after a year or so, and so I thought, well, I'll go with quite a iconic and famous clock that should hopefully hold up. Right, so I've got the tripod out, and now I can actually use both hands. So we'll unpackage it and see how it looks. So it's got a bit of its little bit of history here on the back of the box. Box is quite nice. So we'll open this up first. Even more info and just some oh yeah, warranty. Don't forget my tail. So a tail. Yeah, so that's the tail for the pendulum. Open it up again, and so it's, yeah, well packaged in there. This pattern looks pretty neat. There it is. Yeah, good cat. Also has a little brochure about the exotic pet collection. Yes, look for the tail. So I'm guessing a lot of people must not see the tail in this little bit here. They must get a lot of phone calls of people asking me the tail's gone and they've opened it and it's dropped out, or it's still there and they just haven't seen it. Alright, so let's have a better look at this. We've got here, so these eyes move back and forth as it clicks along. There's we hang the pendulum tail, and I have a unique exotic pet ID. It's got here also. You can quite, I don't know if we can see, there's some text in the plastic mould. Takes 2 C-size alkaline batteries. Oh, well that's good, because I do have some. And I thought I'd get some ever ready since they have cats on their logo. So that will work, that alkaline. It doesn't really say too much. It just says here, Californian Clock Co. Fountain Valley. Right. So I think you can open it. It says here push in and up. So I shall do that. Oop. Okay. So I've got that apart. And there's some cardboard here, so we'll take that out. Okay, I can see how the eyes work with the pendulum. Right, the batteries go here. And that's how it would work when that ticks along. So let's open up the batteries. I shall face that way. So I've got two Eveready alkalines, which will do the trick for now. I don't mind replacing them if they go flat earlier than the other batteries. So we've got it here. It says the batteries are installed this way. One goes like that. And they both go the same way. Alright, feel that is in the way it should go. Just check, I'm pretty sure that's that way. Yeah, it is. Alright. I think that's all we're going to do, and then just replace the back cover. Let's see how those eyes work. I wonder if they ever wear out. I guess they don't, because they seem to be, you know, I wanted a clock that wasn't going to break so quickly. Yeah, so see these little top of the ears here pop up into here, and then you clip it back down. You can see the clips here go into this gap. So what does it say? Push in and up. But that was to open it, so click it down. Oh yeah, so you can see they have gone into the tabs, or the little outcut bits there. So that's in. And the tail just hooks on like this. Now I don't know if I should have I probably should have put the tail in when it was open, I guess. Which I can do. It's not hard to reopen it. Right. Right, I got that on really good now. Ears go back in the top there. There you go. So I'll now go put this up on my wall in a moment and enjoy it. So I thought before I put it up on the wall, we'll have just a little bit better, closer look at it. Under my new lamp here. So by the looks of it, well, I've never seen one of these before, so I don't really know how to compare it to other ones. But I know they do this print after, so you can see the little white bits for the cat nails are under the pattern. So I guess this was printed in the first place, and then they get sent off to get the Bengal tiger print on it. Yeah, if it looks too far over, you can see behind its eye there. What about this side? Not too bad, so it might just be a thing. This is the top of its head. It's quite a nice, very nice print. The bow tie, I think you can remove those, and these are like from the website, you can mod them a bit, stick on different things, but this one's quite neat. So under there, Kit Cat. The tail's quite good as well. So this one says it's the 90th anniversary. From the picture on the box, it looks like, obviously the pattern is different, but that is just on how it's printed. You're going to get a custom print every time, but that looks like what I've received, so I'm really happy with that. I ordered this directly off the website, and that worked out really well. In fact, it was cheaper to buy it off the website here in New Zealand than to get it anywhere else. Everywhere else was marked up, and I thought, well, what's the point of should that swing a bit more? I'll have another look before I put it up. It was cheaper to buy it direct from the States than to buy it anywhere else. And the closest place that was selling it was Australia, versus anywhere here in New Zealand wasn't. There was no chance of finding it. Anyway, I'll move on to the next bit. Ooh, he's really having a good look that way. Oh, by the way, I also joined the official fan club just for a couple of dollars. So I got this neat card. So this is it, up and running, up on the wall. It's probably echoing a bit in the video, but it's not terribly loud at all. Just look at him go. It's just like if he's watching a game of tennis. So yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase. I will probably consider getting the more generic original black and white one, and I'll probably move this one to a different room. But yeah, really happy with it, and if I do get another one, I'll do a video on that one and compare them. But otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching.